Hi, welcome to Glider Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I will share with you on how to guard your Facebook profile. Before now, guarding Facebook profile was directly from the profile icon. Now, watch the step in order to get how to guard your Facebook profile for privacy and safety reasons. Now, the first thing you have to do is to log into your Facebook. The next is to click on your profile icon found at the top left corner. So right here, you're going to see three dots at the top right corner. Just click on it. From here, you're going to see lock profile. So you just click on it. So when you lock your profile, it will limit the number of people that see your profile, that also see your stories, your posts on Facebook. It will also make some profile, unless you make some profile info public, so that is only when friends can find you and send requests. But if everything is just private, you're not going to have any friends on Facebook. Now, to do this, what you have to do is click on the lock. So right here, you can see it says lock your profile. Only your friends can see your photos, posts and story on your profile. So if you're not my friend on Facebook, you cannot see my post, you cannot see my story, you cannot even see my post. Before now, Facebook allows us to see that through just clicking our profile icon here, but you can see we don't have anything like Facebook guard again. If you want to unlock your Facebook profile, you can still go back through the steps and click on the unlock profile here and unlock it. For now, you can just leave it like this if you want it to be like this. So guys, I hope this was clear and understandable. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Thanks for watching.